GBG offers you an amazing, one-of-a-kind income opportunity with multiple ways to get paid, each one more powerful and more profitable than anything you've ever seen before. There are no hidden challenges here. We've got the easiest qualifications in the industry with no overpriced products or pay plan loopholes. Our founder, Stuart Finger, had experience in other companies where most people struggled to succeed, and that led him to design GBG totally differently. We've gotten rid of all the gimmicks and gotchas found elsewhere. In fact, your GBG business and website are free. With the purchase of your 10-in-1 Super Formula for just $39.97 plus shipping and handling, you'll automatically receive your free GBG business as a gold distributor, and your free state-of-the-art personalized GBG website will be activated immediately. To assist you in building your business faster, you have the option to purchase our Gold Sampling Package for $99.97 per month and/or our Platinum Sampling Package for $449.97 annually. Both are available at sign-up. Then, all you have to do to start making money is simply get people to go to your website to see what GBG has to offer. And we have a powerful system to help you do just that. So, how are you going to get paid as your new GBG customers get started? Well, as a gold distributor, you earn a $10 fast start bonus per product when anyone you introduce to GBG places their first order. If they upgrade to the Platinum package, GBG will also pay you $25 for your first Platinum, $25 for your second, and $100 for your third Platinum and on. Now, if you decide to get started as a Platinum yourself, each of these bonuses double. That means you'll earn $20 fast starts per product and $50, $50, and $200 fast starts for the Platinums you sponsor. After the first month's orders, your fast start bonuses convert to forced matrix pay. By getting just 2 personal auto-ship customers, you're qualified for 10 levels of matrix pay, which can add up to more than $2,000 per month. This can happen even if your team members gather an average of just 2 customers each. And since the industry average is 2.7 per person, this means that even with less than average growth, you can still earn huge income here at GBG. Now, if you do a little more and gather a total of 7 personal customers, you'll be qualified for 12 levels of pay, which can earn you over $8,000 per month. That's almost $100,000 per year. And that's just the beginning of your matrix pay potential. You can actually double and triple the number of levels from which you earn income simply by signing up more customers. By the way, if you feel that you can't afford the $449.97 Platinum package, it's not a problem here at GBG. You can actually get it for free. Just gather 25 personal auto-ship customers, and as long as you maintain those customers, you'll be an active Platinum distributor. This also qualifies you for your share in our 1% profit-sharing bonus pool. How would you like to have the whole company on your team? It's not only possible, but easy here at GBG. Now let me ask you a question. Do you think you could give away just 1 sample a day of GBG's 10-in-1 chewable vitamin along with a 5-minute DVD that explains everything? Just give it away. Don't try to sell anything to anyone. If you said yes, you can succeed beyond your wildest dreams. How? Our sampling packages are the answer. Whether you decide to purchase the Gold or Platinum Sampling Package, sampling is one of the most powerful ways to explode your business. With the Gold Sampling Package, you get 30 sample packs with 2 chewable 10-in-1 tablets in each pack, 30 DVDs with our 5-minute introductory presentation that does all the work for you, and 30 full-color postcard-sized flyers that give you all the details about 10-in-1. Although this is a totally optional package, we highly recommend you purchase this package on monthly auto-ship in order to build your business the fastest and easiest way possible. Just give away 1 sample kit a day and watch what happens. Think about it. Where else can you run a business for about $100 a month? The GBG sampling packages are truly all you need to grow your GBG business as large as you want. What's really great about the sampling program is that you don't have to be a great salesperson or an expert on the product or business. The kit does everything for you. And because you're giving these samples away for free, it's easy to get people interested in what you have to offer. As we always say, who says no to free? So just how can the GBG sampling program work for you? Well, if you just give away 1 sample kit a day, at the end of your first month, you will have handed out 30 sample kits. Even if 8 out of every 10 people say no to you, at the end of the month, you would still have 6 new people that catch the GBG vision and get started. So that means that 7 of you would be handing out 210 sample kits during your second month. Again, even if 8 out of 10 people say no, you would still end up with 42 new members joining your team by the end of the second month. This means that during your third month, there could be 49 of you handing out 1,470 sample kits. And remember, all anyone is doing here is just giving away 1 sample kit per day. There's nothing difficult about this. And even if 80% of everyone who gets a sample kit in your third month says, no thank you, by the end of that month, you could have 294 new team members joining you. That means in month 4, there could be 343 of you handing out just 1 sample kit a day. That's over 10,000 sample kits being given away that month alone, and you only had to hand out 30. In just 4 months of sampling, you could already be earning life-changing income. Imagine what can happen as you continue this for a year or 2. And it's only the tip of the iceberg of what can happen for you here at GBG. Not only can you earn more levels of pay, you can also earn more money per level and even get paid multiple times from every sale, not to mention earning a piece of the monthly sales of the whole company. All this and more is explained on your free GBG website. One final thought. If you're not earning residual income for your family, you're completely missing the boat. You need to do the work initially and then get paid for it month after month, year after year, for the rest of your life. That's residual income, and it's the best way to achieve true financial security. Start building your future today. Thanks for listening, and God bless.